we're gonna DIY. Yo guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jumoke of Moke's Crib. If you are a new subscriber here, please, before we get into this video, take a moment and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're from, I see you. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this built right here with my glasses pouch. Very easy actually. So let's dive into the video. The basic item I use for this DIY is that pouch for my glasses, and I used this super glue. I used one of those actually because it's very effective. And then I used my nail polish, my mirror nail polish. It's kind of metallic from Huda Beauty. And I used this hoop earring that I've had from, I don't even know, I just stumbled upon it. And then this Chanel pendant from an old bag. I just literally ripped it off to do my thing. So the first step is painting. I just literally painted the pouch with my nail polish. I started in light strokes, then I tried my best to be gentle enough. I was very careful because I didn't want it looking too smudgy, so I just went in with light strokes first. I just painted and painted and painted, and I was careful with the strokes because I didn't want to like put so much nail polish and my nail polish not end up being enough. So I started with the first coating. That's why it's not looking so clean yet. Now after the third coating, I now set it aside to dry, and I went ahead and painted the rest, the accessories I'll be using, with the same nail polish. So after about 30 minutes, the pouch is already dried. As you can see, I coated it like 3 times with nail polish before I could get this effect. So at this point, guys, I'm just using a pen to mark the points where I would attach my accessories on the pouch. So I'll not attach them on the wrong spots. I just targeted the middle of the pouch so I could place my accessories perfectly. So I had to add glitter at this point because I needed it to be as rock solid as possible, and glitter was the only thing I could use to get that effect that will not look so nasty. So I just added some glitter with a lot of super glue to that point so it will get really hard. It took a lot of time actually to get this done, but then it was worth it in the end because it came out really good, and it took a lot of time to get dried, but then again it was worth it. I just added I kept topping it with the super glue and glitter until I felt like it was strong enough, and now this is dried version of it, and as you can see, it is really strong. So this is some necklace I'm going to be using for something later, and a bead to attach on the other side of the pouch for the closure. So I'm just repeating the same process from like the start, adding the super glue in aiding the attachment of the bead, just basically the same thing I did with the other side. Now the glitter for the same effects. And now it's dried again. Now this is the necklace that I am attaching to the bag. I just tied it just for some drama. You know me, drama queen. If not, it's not really necessary. It's just, it really made sense in the end. So now this is dried, and you see why I put it for the closure of the bag, so it can clasp. Now that rocky part, don't worry, it's going to look really nice later. And so that's the reason why I put that stuff. As you can see, it's not really necessary, but like I said, I just really love drama and a fizzy. So that's it. That is the effect. You know what's up. Haha. So for the step 6, I used the hoop earring. I bent it really well, so it could form like a circle, as you can see. So I just passed it through and I glued it, the 2 joining edges, using my super glue again. And now that it's glued, for the step 7, I'm going to be using the nail polish to go over everything from beginning to the end, so the colors can rhyme, because they're actually different shades of gold. Only the nail polish can give me that effect. So I had to repaint everything, like everything, as you can see in the video. Now this is the part where that rocky part makes sense, because it's not really looking as cute as it looks outside the video. It's not looking as rocky as it was looking before, after I added the nail polish. So this took about 15 minutes to repaint and all, because I really had to be careful to cover the patches. And then I left it for about 30 minutes to dry totally, and now it is dried, all set for carriage, as you can see. So this is the final step. I just like went over it and laid that pad, although this is not the original pad of this bag, but then I just had to find my way around it, you know. I had to just make everything work together for my good. And then ta-da! That brings us to the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share. Love y'all. Bye.